Hey y'all, Lou Gordon here at Cambridge Used Bikes with Spiros, who's going to tell us a little bit about his bike shop.
Hi, I'm Spiros. I've been in this business since 2016 in Cambridge. As you see, we sell mostly used bikes. We cater probably to the universities mostly and the commuters, local commuters.
So I know you guys sell new bikes, you sell used bikes, and you also service bikes, right?
Absolutely. We do all the repairs, especially on the vintage bikes. Very few shops deal with them, so we're one of the few. Full repair shop, new, used, and we also sell e-bikes.
Oh, that's fantastic. Where are y'all located?
We're near Lichmere Station, just a quick block in East Cambridge, Massachusetts.
Well, thank you so much for meeting with us. I actually just bought a bike here for my son, and we're very excited to ride it around. And see y'all next time.